I love it. Now we have new pillowcases in our house. It even matches my top. Snake. Reminds you of all your friends. Joke. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal. To the newcomers, welcome. Welcome to the old-timers, welcome back. You can help me grow my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. Hi guys, what is up? I know you miss me, but don't worry because I'm back. Today we're gonna be doing a DIY. You heard it right. So this is gonna be a DIY designer home decor. Yeah. So, are you excited? So this DIY designer home decor, you can make it because it's very easy. Some you can only do it like under 5 minutes. Yep, that's how easy it is. Okay, the first item for the DIY is a designer pillowcase. Yes. So for the pillowcase, we need obviously item pillowcase. You can use your old one, but I bought a new one from AliExpress, which is so cheap, only $2. Yeah. And then we need a cricut machine because we need to print the iron-on. Yeah. So cricut machine, iron-on sheets. Yeah. An iron. So you also need scissors and a weeder. Yeah. So step number 1, let's prepare the items. So obviously you have to have your pillowcase ready. And you need to choose a logo, whichever designer you want to use. Yeah, any logo. But for me, I use Prada and Chanel. Yeah. So I printed it on my Cricut machine, and after printing, I weed it out. Yes. So you have to print, for the Cricut machine, you have to print always the shiny side is below, okay? On the sticky side of the Cricut mat. Yeah. That's where the shiny side is, and then you put it in your Cricut machine, and go! Cricut cut it. Yeah. So after Cricut cut it for you, you're gonna weed out the iron-on. So you clean it up with whatever logo you're gonna need for the ironing. So after you weed it out and it's clean and it's ready to be pasted on your pillowcase, what we do now is we need an iron for this. So I have this small, very tiny Cricut iron. Yeah. Okay, so we have to iron it now. So for this Cricut small iron machine, I need to have like this is actually a baking sheet. Yeah. So you use that on top of the iron-on and you just iron it on. Yeah. And then voila! You have a designer pillowcase. Isn't that easy? I really like it. So this is the Prada Marfa. So I got the print online. If for personal use, you can use this logo, but you're not allowed to sell it, okay? You're gonna have a problem with the copyright. Anyway, this is just for our house. And it's only one piece. So, Prada Marfa. So, this is the one. I really like it. So, I told you this is the $2 AliExpress pillowcase. You can use your old pillowcase. I think it's also nice if it's a printed or something. But I love it. And this is the Chanel. There you go. I think it's very loud for Chanel, because of the color, because I don't have any more of the white iron-on. I only have a neon pink. But I think it turned out very nice. Chanel. I love it. Now we have new pillowcases in our house. It even matches my top. Yeah, so this is the first DIY for this video. Item number 2 for the designer DIY. I'm gonna call this my designer photo frame. Yeah, so this is a picture frame. What we need is, items needed is, number 1, a picture frame. Of course, if you have a boring picture frame, yeah, we can do that. Or I bought a new one from IKEA, which is cheap anyway. So we need a picture frame. We need a Cricut machine again. Sorry guys, because I did it from Cricut. And we need a vinyl, of course, a weeder tool, a scissor. Yeah, that's it. A transfer tape. Yeah. That's all we need. So, step number 1 is make sure your picture frame is ready. Yeah. And then you're just gonna choose which logo or icon do you want to use. For myself, I'm using the Louis Vuitton monogram because I love it. If you remember, I did this for Christmas. Yeah. So I love this monogram, but I'm doing a different color this time, okay? Last time, remember, it was pink. Yeah. So anyway, I printed my favorite Louis Vuitton monogram and after printing it, you have to clean it up and weed it out. And when everything is weed out, you need to transfer the vinyl with the transfer tape, yeah, the transparent one, and then you're gonna put it onto the picture frame. So you stick it on with your cricut tools. That's how easy it is. The most difficult part of this one is the weeding, because you have to take out the monogram one by one. It's a bit tedious, but I made it again. Yeah. Here it goes. So this is my Louis Vuitton monogram inspired picture frame. So, isn't that nice? I love it. So now it's purple, guys. Love it. Item number 3. So item number 3, this is the easiest one because you can do this under 5 minutes. Yep, promise. So this easy project, item number 3, if you are like me that you hoard and keep your perfume boxes, yeah, especially the designer ones, then this project is for you. Yes. So this is a very easy project because what you need is item number 1, your recycled perfume boxes. Yeah. You need scissors or penknife. Penknife is better, and you need the cutting tools. Yeah, that's it. And if you have a frame, much better. So this step number 1 is you need your perfume box, which I like the Jimmy Choo because it has this like a snake pattern. Yeah. So what we do is we just open it up. Yeah, you just open up your box and then you flatten it out. When you flatten it out, you have to measure with your frame. Once you measure with your frame and you're really sure, then you can actually cut it with a penknife. That's it. Put it in the frame and voila! Voila! Now you have a recycled designer artwork. Yeah, so I chose my Jimmy Choo. I love Jimmy Choo and I like the snake skin. Love it. It looks very luxurious. And this is an IKEA frame, so it's only a few dollars. Yeah, so that's the Jimmy Choo. Love it. Snake. Reminds you of all your friends. Joke. I like it. And I think this is a very easy project. It's only under 5 minutes and you have a DIY, and you know, it's good because you're recycling your trash. Some people, they just throw it, and I don't throw it because I'm a hoarder for these things. Yeah, you see, in the future, you have a framed designer artwork. Item number 4 and the last item for this video. Yeah, so sad. Anyway, if you have an empty perfume bottle, we're gonna recycle that because why not? I like recycling. So what I'm using with this one is items that we need. Of course, the recycled perfume bottle. Whatever perfume bottle that you like, if you're not throwing it away, let's use this one. Yeah, so we need that and we need some pliers. Pliers, yeah, pliers. Okay, we need pliers. So we need to take out the spray. Okay? That's the only goal. That's it. So for this project, I'm using my Chanel Coco Mademoiselle, my favorite perfume, and everybody else's favorite perfume. Yeah, I smell this perfume everywhere, I tell you. I really like it. I don't care if some people use it. It's like we have the same smell, you know? Anyway, yeah, so easy peasy. I only struggled a bit. Yeah, take out the sprayer with the pliers. You have to be very careful because sometimes it's slippery and you don't want your bottle to break. So be very careful with this. Yeah. But in the process, when you actually finally take it out, voila! You have a cute vase. Yeah, it's quite cute. Whew. Yeah, mine is quite tiny. If you have the bigger Coco Mademoiselle, it's quite nice. And you can mix it with other bottles when you display it. You can put it on your toilet, in the vanity, anywhere on the shelf. It's nice. I like it. And it still have a scent. You cannot smell, but you know, Coco Mademoiselle, love it. Yeah. I hope you like my DIY designer home decor, which is all easy peasy to do. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Let me know in the comment section below which one of the 4 items that we did today is your favorite. Is it the designer pillowcase? Is it the picture frame? Is it my recycled perfume boxes? Or is it the flower vase made out of the Coco Chanel Mademoiselle? Let me know in the comment section below, okay? This is it, Pansit! Stay safe and stay healthy. I'm your friendly Tita Zo Manila that lives in Singapore, saying ciao, arrivederci. See you again next week. Bye, bye, bye. Woo.